Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox high ping on mobile. High ping creates frustrating delays, making your Roblox games almost unplayable, but often the simplest solutions are the best. Start by fully closing the Roblox application and then completely restarting your mobile device. This action can clear temporary network glitches and refresh your connection, instantly improving your game's responsiveness. Your internet connection is paramount for a smooth Roblox experience. Ensure you are connected to a strong, private Wi-Fi network, preferably on the 5 GHz band if available. Try moving within 10 feet of your Wi-Fi router to maximize signal strength, and consider disabling any other applications that might be actively downloading or streaming data in the background. A stable connection significantly reduces ping. Your mobile device's performance directly impacts your ping, especially if it is struggling with multiple tasks. Before you open Roblox, close every other application running in the background. This frees up your device's processor and random access memory, allowing it to focus entirely on the game. Regularly clearing your device's cache can also prevent general system slowdowns, giving Roblox the resources it needs. Within Roblox itself, modifying your in-game settings can dramatically lower ping. Access the game menu and find the graphics settings. Reduce the graphics quality to a lower setting, or set it to manual and turn off features like advanced shadows or complex lighting. This minimizes the data sent and received by your device, easing the strain on your internet connection and resulting in a much smoother experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.